and today I will tell you about my monstera. Here she is, such a beauty. The height is probably maybe a little more, with such beautiful huge leaves. Today I'll talk a little about the care and cultivation of this plant in indoor conditions. The monstera, this is a tropical plant from America, has been well known for a long time and has many admirers. It is a large, fast-growing vine. The first young leaves are small and heart-shaped. But when the plant gets older, its leaves can reach impressive sizes up to 1 meter and have symmetrical deep cuts, like these. On the lower part of the stem, opposite each leaf, aerial roots form, which help the monstera receive additional nutrition and support, and they should not be removed. These are the kind of roots it produces. The monstera is not a fussy plant and with good care can grow up to 5 meters and higher. Therefore, it is considered that monstera is a plant for large spaces. It is not easy to get a flower from a monstera plant. It resembles a closed white lily. The fruits are edible, but they can only be expected in greenhouse or conservatory conditions. According to descriptions, the fruit smells good and is quite unique. It resembles either a banana or a pineapple. However, the monstera plant is not grown at home for its flowers or fruits. This plant attracts attention with its powerful, beautiful, shiny leaves and can enhance any interior. Caring for a monstera involves creating conditions for the plant that are close to its natural habitat. The temperature should not exceed 16 degrees Celsius. If it drops below this, the monstera stops growing. In winter, it's advisable not to let the temperature fall below 12 degrees. At the same time, it's important to maintain a balance of humidity and temperature during the winter. If the temperature is lowered, watering should be reduced, but do not allow the soil to dry out. It should remain moist. When the temperature rises, when the monstera is growing, watering should be abundant, but the soil should dry out between waterings. Caring for the monstera plant also includes spraying and washing the leaves with warm water. And sometimes, to make the leaves shine better, a little milk is added to the water for washing. Monstera cannot tolerate direct sunlight, but that doesn't mean it can be placed in a dark corner. With insufficient lighting, the plant stops growing, the leaves become smaller, lose their color, and do not develop proper symmetrical cuts. For normal growth and development, monstera needs bright, diffused light or midday light. Don't forget. And about the aerial roots, which should not be removed. To ensure the plant receives more nutrients and moisture, the aerial roots are directed towards the ground. In addition, an extra support is used in the form of a tube made from plastic mesh or moss. Peat, which is kept constantly moist, serves as an artificial moist trunk, like the one I have. It prevents the aerial roots from drying out and creates the necessary humidity. For the entire plant in rooms with central heating or very dry air, the plant needs to be sprayed. Monstera. The flower is large and it requires a sufficiently large pot with a diameter of no less than 30 centimeters, and the bottom of the pot must have drainage. Soil consists of equal parts of compost soil, sand, and peat. And repot the monstera, and every 2 years, as it grows, it needs a bigger and bigger pot. These are the basic rules for taking care of such a beauty. Be sure to follow them and you will succeed. Enjoy watching. have a good mood, and take care of your favorite plant.